Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to install and load R packages. So first about R package installation, we need to know where the package is hosted. For example, if your package is hosted in Siran or on your local computer, you can use the command install.packages. And if your package is hosted on Bioconductor or GitHub, first you need to install another package. For example, if your package is hosted in Bioconductor, you need to install the Bio Manager package, and then you can use the function install from the Bio Manager package to install the package in Bioconductor. And similar for GitHub, we need a function install GitHub in the development tools package. So, and to uninstall package is easier. So you just need to use the command remove.packages and then the package name. And we will do some example with installing package at the end of this tutorial. And now for loading our package, we can use either library or require functions. And if you only want to load a specific function of a package, you can use this command. For example, here I just load the cosine function of the base package. So this syntax is useful in the case that you have the same function in two packages. For example, in the two package, you have the function with the same name, and sometimes you don't know whether this function is from this package or the other package. But in here, if you use this syntax, you will know that the cosine function here is from the base package, not from the other package. And there's many useful package manager function as listed in here. So now let's open RStudio and install some packages. RStudio here. For example, here I want to install a package in Siran. So just here click enter. And Biomanager package installing, for example here. And if you download your package to your local computer, you can install using this command, and the link to download this package I will show in the video description, in this video description. For example, here I already downloaded. Control Enter. You can also install your package using this option, package install. Here you can install the package in Siran. Just type the package name in here, for example, development tools here, and I already installed it. So, or you can use this command to install your local package, which is stored in your computer. So, and to install Bioconductor, so we already installed the Biomanager package in here. And now we just call the install function in this Biomanager package. And control enter. And here to install GitHub package, you just use the install GitHub command in the function in the development tools. And to remove package, we just use this function, remove.package and the package name, control enter. And to load a package, for example, here, I can either use the library or require function. And with this function, I can list all of the install package in my computer. For example, here, I have many install packages on my Ars. Yeah, list the current version and update packages and search for the attached package. So this is the whole code. So thanks for your interest, and let's move to the next tutorial.